Huh? Show me! Show you? What do you want us to show you?
Show me the guy to fight! You promised me a fight! He must be here. I can feel a very large power.
We do have people here to fight you, but they're sleeping right now. They're gearing up for their fight with you.
Wake them up! I hate waiting!
Damn it. We're out of options. We have to sacrifice the remaining survivors. Wish them back with the Dragon Balls. It's the only way we can stall Majin Buu. That's right. You did say you were going to kill everyone on Earth, right? There's still plenty of people left to kill. Take care of them first. Then you can fight.
Oh, no!
I killed everyone on Earth. Now I can fight. Show me the guys to fight!
Fine, I'll show you. But you're going to have to wait. They've been sleeping, and they need to get ready.
No!
Mr. Satan's daughter here wants you to wait as well.
Really?
You're right. She smells like Satan. Okay, I'll wait, but only a little.
Go wake up Trunks and Goten and get them into the hyperbolic time chamber, now! Might not be much, but they could still get a few days of training in.
Right.
Piccolo was able to buy Goten and Trunks time to train, but Majin Buu's patience was finally wearing thin. Piccolo had no choice but to escort the irritated Majin Buu to the hyperbolic time chamber.
Here it is.
You took a long time getting here!
Hopefully I stalled him long enough. 1 minute out here is 6 hours in there. They should have been able to get a week's training done. Hopefully.
Ta-Daaaah! Boom! We've been waiting for ya! Majin Buu!
Is that them?
Yes! Please, let this work right now. We need a miracle.
Let's do it! Okay! Fusion! Ha! Ta-da! Gotanks is here! Here goes! Super Saiyan!
Whoa! They can turn into a Super Saiyan even after fusing!
I'm gonna end this nice and quick! I wonder what cool move I should use first!
Now! It's my turn to attack! Ah!
Super Ghost Kamikaze attack! Super Ghost Kamikaze attack! That's it! I'm ending this game right now! Galactic Donuts!
You got any more powerful attacks?
You bet I do. You just wait. But I kinda want to scare Piccolo a bit. That'd be more exciting. It's no use! I don't have enough energy to pull off any more of my awesome moves! It's all over now! This world is as good as gone! What?
It's the end of the line for you, Majin Buu! Because I just completely destroyed the only thing connecting this place to the world outside of it. All of us are now trapped in here for the rest of our lives.
What?
The only thing you can do is kill us and spend an eternity all by yourself in this vast and empty space.
What about my favorite sweets?
No sweets here. None.
What gives, Piccolo? Why didn't you tell me you were gonna do that? I was planning on using my super awesome move and stuff.
What? Hey! You said you didn't have any of your power left.
I was acting, you know, to make things a little more dramatic.
Idiot! Why make things more dramatic at a time like this?
Hurry up and fix the entrance, you stupid green party pooper!
I can't fix it! You cocky little spoiled brat!
I hate this place! Huh?
Piccolo, what's that?
I don't believe it! How did he... He used his massive energy to rip a hole between dimensions! No!
It's gone!
What was that noise just now?
Lucky!
Majin Buu!
This is perfect. I was just getting hungry. What should I turn you into? I know chocolate!
It's no use. We can't even open a tiny hole.
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to use it after all.
What do you mean?
Take a guess. Ta-Daaaah!
Hey! What are you?
Yeah!
When? How? What did you just do?
Beats the hell out of me. But I do know I'm super duper strong now. Anyway, we got more important things to do now, right? Ah! I did it! Hurry! The hole's gonna close!
Huh?
Yo, yo, yo! Majin Buu! Look who's back and ready to party!
Huh? You look different.
You moron! It's not just my looks that are different. I'm also way, 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 way stronger than before.
You tell me what you did to everyone here right now.
They're here.
You ate them?
Turn them into chocolate!
I am so pissed off now! Yeah!
Yeah!
Here comes the pain! You're gonna pay for munching on my people!
You into candy too! Good. I'm glad I waited. It's so much fun fighting.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't be too comfortable if I were you. I think I'm making him mad. You're going down! Way down! Ta-Daaaah missile barrage! This butt's toast! Show your face! I can only stay this amazingly strong for a limited time, you know. You're gonna have to wait an hour to see this awesome hair again.
Huh. Interesting. He's getting weaker. Maybe not physically, but mentally, he's suffering.
Say goodbye! You are not gonna be able to come back after this! I'm gonna vaporize every last bit of you! What?
Meanwhile, in the land of the Kais, Gohan continued to undergo the ritual to unleash even more of his latent power. Goku and the others kept their eyes glued to Elder Kai's crystal ball as they followed Gotanks' battle with Majin Buu.
No way! They're back to normal now. Hey, can you pick up the pace, Gramps? I don't know about you, but the kids are running out of power over here.
Are you serious, Dad?
Yeah, at this rate, they're goners.
All right, off you go. I actually finished about 5 minutes ago.
You're finished?
5 minutes? Why didn't you tell me sooner?
You fool! Sending you off when the situation is dire is much more dramatic.
Oh no, I'd better hurry or I'm not gonna make it. Okay, so how am I supposed to become this ultimate warrior?
What do you mean? You turn into that super whatever all the time. It's like that. Just fire yourself up and you'll see.
It's like turning into a Super Saiyan, huh? Okay. This is incredible. Do you see this, Dad?
Yeah! It really is incredible.
To Earth, before things go so far that they can't be undone.
Allow me to send our new hero to his destination.
Sorry I can't join you, Gohan. I wish I could, but I gotta stay here. I wish for a lot of things. I wish I could have seen you grow up.
Dad!
This is probably the last time I'll see you, Gohan. At least until you die. Good luck, son. Show Majin Buu what you can do.
I will.
I'll take my leave now. We're counting on you.
Right. I've got a small request, Kibito. Could I ask for a change of clothes? I'd like an outfit just like my dad's. I want to honor him when I fight.
Yes, I see. Consider it done. Well, let me see. It was the color of the excrement produced by the frogs on Popol, yes?
It's orange, actually. This is perfect! Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'm going now. We will be praying for your success as we watch from the land of the Kais.
Goodbye. Give my regards to the others. Don't worry. I've got this. All right. Time to go.